Hello, today I am going to talk about content and language integrated learning, specifically about the 4Cs taxonomy. And now we have that CLIL is an approach to teaching the content of curricular subjects through the medium of a non-native language. In a CLIL course, learners gain knowledge and understanding of the curricular subject while simultaneously learning and using the target language. Planning and monitoring CLIL. In adopting a CLIL approach, there will be elements of both language and subject teaching and learning which are specific to the CLIL classroom as well as emerging CLIL methodologies. There are many different CLIL models depending on a range of contextual factors. There is no single model for CLIL. Different models all share common founding principle that in some way the content and the language learning are integrated. The 4Cs of CLIL. The 4Cs curriculum, a CLIL topic or project planning framework. And here we found content, culture, cognition, and communication. These four principles are essential to the CLIL approach. They should be used as a framework for creating and delivering successful lessons. The first one, content. Content is the starting point of the planning process. Content refers to the subject or theme of the lesson or course. Examples of different content areas include history, science, mathematics, and so on. When planning the content of our lessons, it is essential to think of the knowledge, skills, and understanding we want our students to learn and not only the knowledge they should acquire. Cognition. For CLIL to be effective, it must challenge learners to think and review and engage in higher order thinking skills. CLIL is not about transferring knowledge. CLIL is about allowing individuals to construct their own understanding and being challenged, whatever their age or ability. A useful taxonomy to use as a guide for thinking skills is Bloom's taxonomy. Culture. It refers to the learning community of a class and schools, and more broadly to local and global cultures. Students are encouraged to understand themselves as citizens of the world and understand both their own culture and other cultures. The ultimate goal is to promote international awareness and understanding. Otherness is a vital concept and holds the key for discovering self. Communication. It refers to students using the target language to communicate their thoughts, opinions, attitudes, and discoveries related to the lesson content. Both speaking and writing are emphasized as the students learned to use language and use language to learn. The students engage in meaningful interaction with each other. The aim is for students to produce authentic language instead of memorizing grammar rules or repeating what the teacher says. The teacher serves as a guide or facilitator in the learning process. And then we have the language triptych. And here we have three different parts: language of learning, language for learning, and language through learning. The first one, language of learning, is an analysis of language needed to access basic concepts and skills relating to the subject, theme, or topic. This also means changing the dependency on grammatical levels of difficulty towards functional and notional levels of difficulty demanded by the content. Then we have language for learning. Focuses on the kind of language needed to operate in a foreign language environment. The teacher has an important role on scaffolding the students and support them in developing skills such as debating, chatting, and so on. And the last one, language through learning, is based on the principle that effective learning cannot take place without active involvement of language and thinking. The CLIL classroom demands a level of talk, of interaction, and dialogical activity which is different to that of the traditional language or content classroom. Thanks for watching. Bye.